Do you know that you can get your Rajhi Bank Statement less than 1 minute? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it, and let's get started. Firstly, log into your Rajhi mobile app. Once you log in, tap on account, current account, yes. Now scroll down and tap on bank statement. Now select the document period and language. For example, let's do it from January 1st, 2025 or January 10. Let's do it at January 1st to let's do it to January 2026. And once we complete, tap on confirm. Now tap on next and check your details and tap on confirm. Now your request has successfully submitted. Tap on go back to dashboard. And now tap on setting. Tap on setting and scroll down. Tap on my document. Your statement request has approved. Now you have two options, whether to download it or you just want to see it, how it look. Tap on view PDF, my mistake. Yes, your bank statement has ready. Now check everything that you want to check. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for others. And you can also download it. Let me show you how to do it. Tap on download and now share it to someone on WhatsApp, or you can download it on your file. It's easy, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you are watching on TikTok or Facebook, drop a follow for more Saudi video. Thank you.